In this video, we're going to take a look at Affirm. Ticker symbol is AFRM. So I'm going to do a quick technical analysis breakdown of where I think price is going to be going next. And this video is not financial advice, not trading advice, not investment advice. So please make sure you do your own research before you make any financial decisions. So we're looking here at Affirm. We'll start with the monthly time frame. You'll notice that Affirm went public in 2021 when we had post-COVID mania with really low interest rates, lots of speculation. Price has come down, and then we bottomed out in 2022, made a pretty nice base, going back about 2.5 years or so. And since then, we've been making higher highs and higher lows. So that's very constructive for Affirm. And you can see the 10 moving average has been moving up. Slope is positive on the monthly time frame. Same with the 30 moving average on the monthly. So if we look at the weekly time frame, we are above the 200, so that's good. Above the 10, we've been in this nice uptrend. Then we had a golden cross earlier with a 50 cross over the 200 back in January. If I remove those drawings and show the base here, could probably draw this base. Let's see, maybe, yeah, I'd probably put it over here. So we tried breaking out of this base earlier in 2024. Unfortunately, we're not able to do that, but then we did break out of it late last year, and we tested the top part here, came back into this channel. The price has since then recovered, and we've been putting in some nice candles. This last week we were up almost 6.5%. Nice bullish engulfing candle here. So if we look at the daily time frame, yeah, we've been in this nice channel, just working our way up, grinding our way up. We have earnings on Thursday, August 21st, so that'll be important. Keep a close eye on that. Should add volume here as one of my indicators because that's very important. Yeah, overall the green candles, the volume has been bigger than the red for the most part. I see that on most of the time frames, yeah, so see it on the weekly here too, lots of nice accumulation. And I also see it here on the monthly too. I could also draw some trend lines here for Affirm. I think it would be better if I draw them on the weekly. So yeah, our bottom trend line would probably go here. Top, could probably put it over here. Let me adjust that a little bit. Yeah, these trend lines don't really have to be perfect. As long as they give a sense of the overall direction and the trend is in the direction that you wanted to go, then that's good enough. You know, people spend a lot of time trying to make these trend lines perfect. Ideally, you want them where multiple candles can hit the trend line. So yeah, essentially we've got this like broadening wedge megaphone type of pattern, and now that we are in stage 2, technically. If we break out of the $82 level, then this could take us to the top of this trend line here around $90 ish, and then above that, basically, it can get back to all-time highs. So we still have a lot of potential room here if it does break out to the upside. About 140, 150% to get to the all-time highs for Affirm. So earnings will be important. I think with low interest rates incoming, it would make sense for these companies buy now, pay later to do better because people are more likely to take loans. And we can also see this with the other companies like Sezzle, another company that's buy now, pay later. It's been in this beautiful uptrend. Had a pullback recently, but looks like we did find some support on the 10 weekly average. XYZ, which is Square or Block, whatever you want to call it. I believe they own Afterpay, another buy now, pay later. It's been sitting in this base, and I believe recently they announced that like they're going to be included in the S&P 500, so that'll definitely drive some inflows in for Block. So we'll see. Only time will tell. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.